Have you ever wondered who stopped following you on Instagram? Instagram doesn't show this information directly, and that's what makes it confusing. Many people end up installing random apps or guessing manually, not knowing what's actually safe or accurate. In this video, I'll show you a clean, safe, and official way to see who unfollowed you on Instagram in 2026 without risking your account, without giving access to shady apps, and without guessing. Let's start inside the Instagram app. Before we jump into the steps, it's important to understand something. Instagram intentionally does not show a list of people who unfollowed you. This is not a bug. It's a design choice. The platform focuses on engagement, content discovery, interaction, not on social comparison or tracking losses. That's why. You can see who follows you. You can see who you follow, but you cannot see a timeline of who left. Because of this, many third-party apps promise to track unfollowers. Most of them work by asking for full account access, storing your login information, constantly polling Instagram in the background. This creates two problems. 1. Your account can be flagged or restricted too. Your data can be stored or misused. That's why the method in this video uses Instagram's own data system. No guessing, no risky logins. Just information Instagram already provides to you. Instagram keeps detailed records of who follows you, who you follow. When those relationships change, they don't show it inside the app, but they do allow you to download your data. This feature exists for privacy and transparency laws. And inside that data are two simple lists. A list of your followers, a list of people you follow. By comparing those two lists, you can see who you follow, who follows you back, and who does not. That last group is what most people mean when they say unfollowers. This is what we're going to extract safely. Open the Instagram app on your phone. This works the same on iPhone, Android. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now look at the top right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, go to Settings and Privacy. At the very top, you will see Account Center. Tap on Account Center. This is important because Instagram moved all identity-related information here. Email, password, personal data, account history, everything we need is inside this area. Inside Account Center, scroll down. Look for your information and permissions. Tap on it. Now tap on Download your information. You will see an option to create export. Tap Create Export. Then choose Instagram as the account source. When asked where to export, select Export to Device. This tells Instagram to prepare the data for direct download. By default, Instagram tries to export everything. You don't need that. Exporting everything takes longer, creates huge files, adds unnecessary data. Tap on Customize Information. Now tap Clear All. You'll see many categories. Scroll down and keep clearing. What we want is very specific. Scroll until you see the Connections category. Under Connections, select Followers, Following. That's it. Nothing else is required. Tap Save. For date range, select All Time. This ensures you get the complete history of your current connections. Now tap Start Export. Instagram does not prepare this instantly. Depending on your account size, it can take a few minutes or several hours. You will receive a notification in Instagram, an email from Instagram. Once it's ready, you'll return to Account Center, then tap your information and click Download your information. You'll see a file with a download button. Tap Download. The file will be saved to your phone. Once Instagram finishes preparing your export and you tap Download, the file is saved to your device. On most phones, it will go into your Downloads folder. To find it, go to your phone's home screen. Open the Files app. On iPhone, it's called Files. On Android, it may be called My Files or File Manager. Inside the Files app, 1. Tap Browse or on my phone 2. Open the Downloads folder 3. You'll see a compressed file, usually named something like Instagram_data.zip. Tap on this file once. Your phone will automatically unzip it and create a new folder. Open that new folder. Inside, you'll see several subfolders. Look for a folder called Connections. Open Connections. Inside, you'll find a file for followers, a file for following. These two files are exactly what we need. It's important to understand what these two lists mean. The followers file contains everyone who currently follows you. The following file contains everyone you follow. Instagram doesn't directly label unfollowers. Instead, we calculate it by logic. If someone appears in following but does not appear in followers, that means you follow them, but they do not follow you back. This is what most people refer to as unfollowed you. We're not guessing. We're comparing official lists from Instagram itself. Now we just need a simple way to compare these two files. You do not need to install any Instagram tracking app. Instead, we'll use a simple list comparison tool. Open your web browser. Search for Compare Two Lists online. You'll find tools like Compare Two Lists, ListDiff, similar comparison utilities. Open one of these. You'll see two boxes, List A, List B. Now 1. Tap Choose File under List A. Select the following file 2. Tap Choose File under List B. Select the followers file. Make sure the option that says something like Treat entries as usernames or Ignore formatting is enabled. Now tap Compare. The result will show accounts that exist in following but do not exist in followers. Those are the accounts that you still follow, but no longer follow you back. This is the cleanest, safest way to get that information. Most unfollower apps work by asking you to log in, storing your session token, checking your account in the background. That behavior can trigger Instagram security systems, cause temporary blocks, reduce reach, or lead to restrictions with this method. You never log into a third-party service. You never give access to your account. You only use data Instagram gives you. It's slow, but it's safe. And it's 100% accurate. You are working with Instagram's own records. This method is best used once every few weeks or once a month. It's not meant for daily tracking. Think of it as a check-in, not a surveillance tool. Instagram changes frequently. Using this occasionally gives you clarity without obsession. Seeing unfollowers is not about chasing numbers or overanalyzing. It's useful for cleaning your following list, managing creator accounts, understanding engagement patterns, keeping business accounts organized. It's a management tool, not a judgment system. Now you know how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram in 2026, safely, cleanly, and without risking your account. No shady apps, no guesses, just information Instagram already provides. You're in control. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more simple, clear Instagram and iPhone tutorials like this. More coming soon.